At our medical center, we provide comprehensive services for hospitals, restaurants, and hotels. These are places where hygiene is crucial, and washing quality is very important. It's one of the elements that customers evaluate us on, and that's why we recently switched to LG Commercial Laundry System. We loved how easy it was to maintain and clean the washing machine. Just seeing how clean the washing machine is eases my concerns. We also love that it saves water and electricity. We handle a large quantity of laundry every day, and lowering our operating costs is crucial. And thanks to the customized washing feature, we can save the wash course for different types of laundry and just press a button. It makes handling different types of laundry so much easier and faster without adjusting the settings every time. I think the word is spreading. I hear a lot of other medical centers are switching to LG Commercial Laundry System as well. The LG Commercial Laundry System leads you to success in business with incredible features.